Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your credit card with Navy Federal, detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure your credit card with Navy Federal, begin by logging into your online account. Navigate to the Accounts section after you've accessed your profile. Locate your credit card account in the list of accounts displayed. Click on the credit card account you wish to secure. Next, find the Security Settings option, usually located in the Account Management area. Select Security Settings to access various options for enhancing your card's security. Enable transaction alerts to receive real-time notifications on purchases made with your card. Choose your preferred notification method, whether through email or text message. Consider turning on the card lock feature for temporary block of your card in case you misplace it. If your card is lost or stolen, use the Report Lost or Stolen Card feature immediately. Review your recent transactions to identify any unauthorized purchases. If you spot any suspicious activity, report it through the security settings. Always ensure your contact information is up to date in your profile for effective communication. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security during login. Regularly change your password to maintain account security over time. Familiarize yourself with the fraud protection policies provided by Navy Federal for peace of mind. Finally, keep track of your credit card statements and monitor them diligently each month. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.